What's up, everybody? Hope you guys are doing well. This is the last presentation I have to make, and it's on molecular evolution. And molecular evolution is the study of the processes that have shaped the evolution of molecules, like DNA, RNA, proteins, over a certain period of time. It encompasses various aspects, including patterns and modes of substitutions, molecular clocks, variation in evolutionary rates, molecular phylogeny, and the acquisition and origin of new functions. So let's jump right into it. So we're going to be talking about patterns and modes of substitutions, molecular clocks, variation in evolutionary rates, molecular phylogeny, acquisitions and origins of new functions. So point mutations. Point mutations involve the substitution of one nucleotide for another at a specific position in the genome. Insertions and deletions, indels, involve the addition or removal of one or more nucleotides at specific positions in the genome. And gene conversion is the relationship between the non-reciprocal exchange of genetic material between homologous. This is the first time I've messed up a word. Homologous chromosomes. Oh, sorry about that. Neutral theory of molecular evolution proposes that the rate of molecular evolution is constant over time and across different generations, different lineages. The molecular clock is a tool used to estimate the time of divergence between two species based on the number of molecular differences between them. Variation in evolutionary rates. It can vary across different lineages, genes, and genomic regions. Accelerated evolution occurs when a gene or genomic region experiences an increased rate of evolution compared to other regions. Purifying selection acts to remove deleterious mutations from a population, resulting in a reduced rate of evolution. Phylogenetic trees are graphical representations of the evolutionary relationships between different species or genes. Distance-based methods such as neighbor joining and UPGMA use genetic distances to reconnect phylogenetic trees. Character-based methods such as maximum parsimony and likelihood use the presence or absence of specific characters to reconstruct phylogenetic trees. Acquisitions and origins of new functions. So gene duplication involves the duplication of a gene, obviously, resulting in the creation of a new gene copy that can involve new functions. So basically almost like a hybrid. And gene fusion involves the fusion of two or more genes, resulting in the creation of a new gene with novel functions. And so think about that hybrid just, merging with the precursor, right? It becomes a super gene, we could say. Horizontal gene transfer. It's quite typical, I've heard this term before. It involves the transfer of genes between different species, resulting in the acquisition of new functions. I believe this happens in chromosomes, if I'm not mistaken. Geez, I think when was that last mentioned? GB2, GB1? So the modern synthesis is a theoretical framework that integrates genetics, evolution, and other fields to explain the evolution of organisms. Punctuated equilibrium is another theory that proposes that evolution occurs in rapid bursts, followed by long periods of stability. Molecular evolution is the study of the evolution of molecules such as DNA, RNA, and proteins over time. So that's it, guys. I mean, there wasn't really much to discuss in this presentation. It was relatively short. There weren't many topics to go over, but I guess you guys get the idea of molecular evolution. It's basically just organisms becoming stronger at the molecular level, and there are many ways that this is achieved, even through transcription, translation, many other molecular mechanisms or molecular pathways that happen in the body. But essentially, it's just to create stability in times of instability. So, hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you see this, it was a pleasure making these videos. I had so much fun. Shout out to Professor Jones, incredible tutor, incredible teacher, giving us this opportunity. So, hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Hope you guys are loved and appreciated, and I hope all your dreams come true. See y'all later.